Texas Instruments offers their MSP430FR2355 LaunchPad development kit. This easy-to-use evaluation module, which is based on Texas Instruments' ultra-low-power MSP430FR2355 value line microcontroller, contains everything needed to start developing on that microcontroller platform. Some of the kit's features include 2 buttons and 2 LEDs for creating a simple user interface, an ambient light sensor, a connector for external analog sources, and an onboard debug probe for programming, debugging, and energy measurements. The microcontroller includes a smart analog combo of configurable signal chain elements, including options for multiple 12-bit digital to analog converters and programmable gain amplifiers, and a 12-bit analog to digital converter. Also, this kit comes with an out-of-box demo, which includes a GUI to showcase some of the microcontroller's smart analog combo configurations.